What to do when your Evac vacuum toilet has no water. Ensure the water supply is on at the local isolator valve, most likely located behind the toilet. Further checks involve removing the pan from the wall. Please see video 1 for further details. Check there are no splits in the rubber diaphragm on the top of the water valve. Remove the water valve breather by removing the 2 screws at either side and detaching the rubber hose. Check for any dust or debris within the breather valve components. Once checked, refit the breather valve assembly. Press the top of the water valve. It should return to rest smoothly with a slight click sound at its final position. Check the water flush ring hose is in a good condition. Please see video 4 for further details regarding water valve replacement.